Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of leaving a community in WhatsApp. Whether you want to streamline your WhatsApp experience, or you're no longer interested in being a part of a particular community, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. If you haven't already, head over to the Play Store and type WhatsApp in the search bar. Step 2. Look for a phone icon with a green and white background. Tap on it, then tap the Install button to download WhatsApp. Step 3. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the WhatsApp app. Sign in using your usual credentials. Step 4. In the chat section, you'll notice a little option to the left with a multiple profiles icon stacked. Tap on it. Step 5. You will see the communities you are currently a part of, with a specific focus on the communities where you are an admin. Tap on the community you wish to leave. Step 6. Scroll down to the bottom of the menu until you reach the Exit Community option. Tap on it to leave the community. By following these simple steps, you can easily leave a community in WhatsApp. This can help declutter your WhatsApp experience and focus on the communities that matter most to you. Please note that by leaving a community, you will no longer receive updates or be able to engage with the members of that community. If you're an admin, make sure to assign a new admin before leaving. We hope this guide was helpful in assisting you with leaving a community in WhatsApp. If you found this video informative, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more WhatsApp tutorials and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you for watching and happy WhatsApping.